Hi, I'm Scott with FSI. Today we're upgrading the SLUG with the SLUG Pro. What we're going to do first is close the ball valves. So at this point we're going to put the red and blue tape on the hoses to color coordinate. Next we're going to remove all the hoses and the electrical. You're going to watch for chemical here because there is going to be some residual chemical. Same thing here, there's going to be some residual chemical. Next you're going to remove the electrical. Most of the time there's going to be some electrical tape that you're going to have to cut through. And a lot of times there's going to be a zip tie that you'll have to cut as well. We're going to remove the gun head now. We're going to put the new SLUG Pro and we're going to reassemble. So Jim's going to connect the wiring for the solenoid and then also the wiring for the trigger cord. Put tape on the Amphenol connections because if you get foam on it, it makes it much easier to get it off when you have to change these out. So last thing that you'll have to do before you run production is to do quality control. You're going to have to adjust your flow controllers. After that, it's complete.